Today we are going to practice IELTS listening. This is one of the 4 modules of your IELTS examination. In today's tutorial, we will practice a sample passage in which you will listen to a conversation and then related questions will be asked to you. You need to answer those questions while listening to the conversation.
This is Business Nationwide. Daniel speaking. How can I help you?
Hi there. I've recently started up a small business and I noticed on your website that you run some courses for people who are starting up.
That's right, we do. We offer 2 courses which may be of interest to you. Our first course is called Getting Started. It's a 2-hour evening course and it runs from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We discuss things like, is starting a business right for me? Writing a business plan and some of the legal issues. It runs at various locations in the area. Where are you based?
I live in Eastleigh.
Eastleigh. So the closest course to you would be in Hanbridge. And the next one is on the 20th of March.
Uh-huh. And how much is that?
That one is free.
OK, well it might be worth it.
But did you say you're trading already?
Yes, since about August.
Well, you might be better off taking our 3-day course, Business Basics. It's not free, I'm afraid. It's subsidised and costs £80 for the 3 days, unless you've been unemployed in the past 6 months, in which case it's just £20.
No, that doesn't apply to me.
Well, it's well worth the money. The 3 days cover the essential aspects of running a business. The first day covers legal issues such as tax, insurance, employment laws and health and safety. The second day covers marketing and pricing, and the third covers accounting and bookkeeping.
It sounds useful. Does the Business Basics course take place in Hanbridge too?
Let me see. No, it's not available in Hanbridge, I'm afraid. The nearest course to you would be in Renton. There's one on the 5th of March and another on the 18th of April.
Yes, that might be useful.
I'll send out a pack to you if you like, with some details of the courses and also some information about what you need to do to set up and who you need to register with.
Great.
Can I take your name?
Yes, it's Lilla Park.
Lilla? Is that L-A-I-L-A?
No, L-I-L-A.
Lilla Park. And your address, please.
39 White Lane, Eastleigh.
And have you got an email address? If so, we can send you details of any courses that are happening near you that you might be interested in.
Yes, it's lilla.park@rainbow.com.
Great. Well, I'll have the information pack sent out to you today.
Thanks, that'd be great.
This was the conversation that you have just heard, and I hope that you have written the answers of question number 1 to 10 that were asked to you in your conversation. Now match your answers. Here is the answer key for you. Answer number 1, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Second, business plan. Answer number 3, business basics. Answer number 4, 3 days. Answer number 5, 80 pounds. 6th, bookkeeping. 7th, 18th April. 8th, Leela Park. 9th, 39 White Lane. 10th, leela.park@rainbow.com. Now, where were these answers in the conversation that you have just heard? For that, I am going to provide you the transcript of the conversation that you have just heard. And all the answers are being highlighted in the text. Have a look. The first answer was the timing of the course, that is 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And then what did the course tell about? It tells about writing a business plan is your second answer. Moving further, what was the 3-day course that they were talking about? The name of the course was Business Basics, and the course was for 3 days, being your next answer. And what was the cost of the course? It was £80. Now students, many of you might have written the answer as 20 pounds. But if you had listened the conversation carefully, the 20 pounds course was for the unemployed and the cost of the course is 80 pounds for the employed people. Since she was already working, so the cost for her is 80 pounds. Moving further, the question was asked to you, what does the third day covers? The third day of course covers accounting. It was given to us. And what is the second option we were to write? It was bookkeeping. The next blank was the date of the course. 5th of March was given to us. What was the another one? It is 18th April. Then coming on to the contact details that were taken in the conversation. The name, that was Leela Park, Lilapark. Then the address of the inquirer, that was 39 White Lane. This is our answer. Coming on to the last answer, that was the email address. It was leela.park@rainbow.com. Students, it is the transcript that is given to you. So therefore, dot, com, at are written in English alphabets. You need to write the email as we write the general email. For this answer, you can refer to the answer key that I have just given to you. Refer to question number 10 to find the correct answer. So this way you need to attempt the listening conversation. You should be a very attentive listener. Listen to the word carefully and most importantly, avoid doing spelling mistakes.